Next, seventh question is find the equation of the circle passing through the points 0, 0, a, 0, 0, b. So let the equation of a circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0, equation 1. So this is our required equation of a circle. But in this we need g value, f value and c value required. So that is why the first point is 0, 0. So then substitute x equals to 0, y equals to 0. So then 0 square plus 0 square plus 2g into 0 plus 2f into 0 plus c equals to 0. So these all terms are zeros except c. So then what is the c value? C equals to 0. Next to the second point is a, 0. So substitute x equals to y equals 0 in equation 1. So in the equation 1 x equals to a. So then a square plus 0 square plus 2g into a plus 2f into y value 0 and c value we already completed, that is 0. So it is equals to 0. Now a square plus 2ga equals to 0. So then 2g a equals to minus a square, then 2g equals to minus a square divided by a. So g equals to minus here, a square cancel, so it is equals to minus a, so minus a by 2 is a g value. Next to third point is 0, b. So substitute x equals to 0, y equals to b. So then 0 square plus b square plus 2g into 0 plus 2f into b and c value is 0. So it is equals to 0. So then it is equals to b square plus 2fb equals to 0. So 2f b equals to minus b square. So from this we can find out the f value, that is minus b by 2. So substitute c value, g value, f value in the equation 1. So then the equation 1 will become, see here, x square plus y square plus 2g, g value how much? Minus a by 2 into x plus 2 into f value minus b by 2 into y. Next to c value is 0, so it is equals to 0. So let's simplify this. So x square plus y square, next here 2 cancel, minus ax, here 2 cancel, minus by equals to 0. So this is our required equation of a circle. Second question 0, 0, 6, 0 and 0, 8. So let the equation of a circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals 0, equation 1. In this find out the g value, f value and c value. So first I am substituting the given point. What is the first point? 0, 0. So x equals 0, y equals 0 in equation 1. So then equation 1 implies, so 0 square plus 0 square plus 2g into 0 plus 2f into 0 plus c equals to 0. Then overall the c answer is 0. Next to substitute second point, that is x equals to 6, y equals to 0. So then the equation 1 will become 6 square plus 0 square plus 2g into 6 plus 2f into 0 plus c. C means already we found its answer is 0. Now 6 square is 36, 6 2s are 12g and it is equals to 0. Next to 12g equals to 36, so g equals to 36, sorry, minus 36 So then G equals to minus 36 divided by 12. So it is equals to minus 3. So G value is minus 3. Next substitute third point, that is 0 comma 8. So x equals 0, y equals to 8. So then the first equation will become 0 square plus 8 square plus 2g into 0 plus 2f into 8, and c value is 0, so it is equals to 0. So then 64 plus 8 to the 16f equals to 0. So 16f equals to minus 64. Then f equals to minus 64 divided by 16. So minus 64 by 16 is minus 4. So f value minus 4. Now substitute the c value, g value, f value in the equation 1. So then the first equation will become x square plus y square plus 2g, g value is minus 3 into x plus 2f, f value minus 4. So 2 into minus 4 into y, and c value is 0, is equals to 0. So next x square plus y square, 2 into minus 3 is minus 6x, 2 into minus 4 minus 8y equals to 0 is our required equation of a circle. Next third question, 0 comma 0, 6 comma 0 and 8 comma 4. So the previous question is actually first bit B problem. So now it is a second question, 0 comma 0, 6 comma 0 and 8 comma 4. So substitute the first point, that is x equals 0, next to y equals to 0. So 0 square plus 0 square plus 2g into 0 plus 2f into 0 plus c equals to 0. Then overall c equals to 0 is the first answer. Next substitute the second point, that is 6 comma 0. So x equals to 6, y equals to 0. Then the equation 1 will become 6 square plus 0 square plus 2g into 6 plus 2f into 0 plus c value is 0, it is equals to 0. So 36 plus 2 6 are 12g equals to 0. So then 12g equals to minus 36, then g equals to minus 3, because minus 36 by 12 is minus 3. Next to substitute third point, that is x equals to 8, y equals to 4. So then the equation 1 will become 8 square 4 square plus 2g. See, actually g value is how much? Minus 3, and x value is 8 plus 2fy. So 2fy value 4 plus c value is 0. 8 square 64, 4 square is 16, and 2 into minus 3 into 8 is minus 48. 2 into f into 4 is 8f equals to 0. 64 plus 16 is 80. 80 minus 48 is 32. Plus 8f equals to 0. Then 8f equals to minus 32. Then f equals to minus 32 by 8. So that is minus 4. So f value minus 4. Now substitute c, g and f in equation 1. Then the equation 1 will becomes x square plus y square plus 2 into g value minus 3 into x plus 2 into f value minus 4 into y, and c value is 0 equals to 0. So let's simplify this. X square plus y square, 2 into minus 3 is minus 6x, 2 into minus 4 is minus 8y equals to 0. So this is our required equation. Next third question, 1 comma 0, 0 comma minus 6 and 3 comma 4. Substitute the first point, that is 1 comma 0. So substitute x equals to 1, y equals to 0. So 1 square plus 0 square plus 2g into 1 plus 2f into 0 plus c equals to 0. 1 square 1, next to 2g into 1 is 2g plus c equals to 0. It is equation 2. Substitute the second point, that is 0 comma minus 6. So x equals to 0, y equals to minus 6. So then the equation 1 will becomes, so 0 square plus minus 6 whole square plus 2g into 0 plus 2f into minus 6, next to plus c equals to 0. So minus 6 whole square is 36 and 2 into minus 6 is minus 12f plus c equals to 0. So it is equation 3. Next to substitute third point, that is x equals to 3, y equals to 4. So then the equation 1 will become 3 square plus 4 square plus 2g into 3 plus 2f. 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 3 2s are 6g and 4 2s are 8f plus c equals to 0. So 9 plus 15 is 25 plus 6g plus 8f plus c equals to 0, equation 4. To find out the g, f and c values, we need to create two more equations. How it is? So 2 minus equation 3. Equation 2 is 1 plus 2g plus c, and equation 3 is, here take the bracket, 36 minus 12f plus c equals to 0. Here 1 minus 36 is minus 35, 2g minus, here minus of minus is plus, next to here 2g and plus c minus c cancel, plus 12f equals to 0. So 2g plus 12f, 35 transposed to another side, minus 35, so equation 5. So now equation 3 minus equation 4. So equation 3 is 36 minus 12f plus c minus bracket of equation 4 is 25 plus 6g plus 8f plus c equals to 0. Here 36 minus 25 is 11. Next to minus 12f, here minus 8f is minus 20f. Next to minus 6g plus c minus c cancel, 0. First I am writing the g term, next to f term, and 11 transpose to another side, minus 11. So this is equation number 6. Now equation number 5 and equation number 6 have same variables, which are g and f. So I am going to cancel the variable g from the both equation. So that is why here equation 5 multiply with 3, because here coefficient is a 6. So that is why equation 5 multiply with 3, then it will become 6g plus 36f and 35 3s are 105, equation number 7. Now equation number 6 minus equation number 7, so minus 6g minus 20f equals to minus 11. Equation number 7 is 6g plus 36f equals to 105. So minus 6g plus 6g cancel, minus 20f plus 36f is 16f, minus 11 divided by 105 is 94. So then f equals to 94 divided by 16, so it is equals to 2 table, 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are divided by 8. So f value 47 by 8. Substitute this f value either in equation 5 or equation 6 or equation 7. So I am substituting in the equation 5. So what is the equation 5? 2g plus 12f equals to 35. So 2g plus 12f, 12 into 47 divided by 8 equals to 35. So 2g plus, here 12 and 8 both are coming in 4 table. So 4 2s are 4 3s are 3 7s are 21, 2 carry, 3 4s are 12, 141 divided by 2 equals to 35. So now 2g equals to 35 minus 141 divided by 2. So 2g equals to 70 minus 141 divided by 2. So 70 minus 141 is 2g equals to minus 71 divided by 2, then g equals to minus 71, here 2 transpose to RHS side, so it is equals to 4. Substitute this g value in the equation number 2. So 1 plus 2 into g value is minus 71 divided by 4 plus c equals to 0. So here 2 and 4 coming in two tables. So 2 ones are 2 twos are 1 minus 71 by 2 plus c equals to 0. So now take the LCM. 2 minus 71 divided by 2 plus c equals to 0. Then c equals to 2 minus 71 is minus 69 divided by 2 plus c equals to 0. Then c equals to plus 69 divided by 2. Now substitute g, f and c values in the equation number 1. So what is that? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. So x square plus y square plus 2 into g value minus 71 by 4 into x plus 2 into f value is 47 by 8 into y, and c value is 69 divided by 2 equals to 0. Here 2 ones are 2 twos are, so x square plus y square. Now take the LCM. 4 is LCM, so 4x square plus 4y square. Next here 4 in 2 table 2s are 2 into 71 is 142x plus 47y, and 69 into 3 2 is 138 equals to 0. So therefore the required answer is 4x square plus 4y square minus 142x plus 47y plus 138 equals to 0. Fourth problem 0, 1, 2, 3 and minus 2, 5. So let the general form of a equation of a circle is, take it as a equation 1. Now substitute the first point. Then 0 square plus 1 square plus 2g into 0 plus 2f into 1 plus c equals to 0. So 1 plus 2f plus c equals to 0, equation 2. Substitute the second point. So then equation 1 will become 2 square plus 3 square plus 2g into 2 plus 2f into 3 plus c equals to 0. 4 plus 9 plus 2 twos are 4g plus 3 twos are 6f. Substitute the third point, minus 2, 5. Minus 2 whole square is 4, 5 square 25 minus 4g plus 10f plus c equals to 0. 29 minus 4g plus 10f plus c equals to 0, equation 4. So to find out the f, g and c values, first equation 2 minus equation 3. Equation 2 LHS 1 plus 2f plus c minus, take the bracket, equation 3 LHS 13 plus 4g plus 6f plus c, it is equals to 0. So 1 minus 13 is minus 12, 2f minus 6f is minus 4f plus c minus c cancel, next to minus 4g equals to 0. So here we can take the minus 4 common. So then 3 plus f plus g equals to 0. F plus g equals to minus 3. So the new equation, already 4 equations completed, it is a equation number 5. Now we need to get the one more equation in the variable same f and g. So for that, equation 2 minus equation 3. Equation 2 is 1 plus 2f plus c minus, take the bracket, equation 3 is, sorry, not equation 2 and equation 3, equation 3 minus equation 4. Equation 3 is 13 plus, so here is the equation 4. So 13 minus 29 is minus 16. Next to 4g, here minus or minus plus 4g, so 4g plus 4g is 8g. 6f minus 10f is minus 4f, and plus c minus c cancel, it is equals to 0. Now take the minus 4 common. 4 minus 2g plus f equals to 0. So then the equation is f minus 2g equals to minus 4, equation 6. So observe the equation 5 and 6, they have the same variables f and g. Now use the elimination method to find out the f and g values. You already learned elimination method in the 10th class. So from this g equals to 1 by 3. So substitute this g value either in equation 5 or equation 6. So f value minus 10 by 3. Substitute this f value in equation 2. So 1 plus 2 into minus 10 by 3 plus c equals to 0. Then c value is 17 by 3. So here is the equation 1. In this substitute g, f and c values. So x square plus y square plus 2 into g value is 1 by 3 into x plus 2f. F value is minus 10 by 3 into y, and c value is 17 by 3 equals to 0. So now take the LCM of 3. So 3x square plus 3y square plus 2x minus 20y plus 17 equals to 0, and this 3 transposed to RHS side. So then finally the required equation is, so this is our required equation, 20y plus 17. Fifth question, 1 comma 1, 2 comma minus 1 and 3 comma 2. Substitute the x value, first point, that is 1 comma 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 2g plus 2f plus c equals to 0. So 2 plus 2g plus 2f plus c equals to 0, equation 2. Next substitute the second point, 2 comma minus 1. So 4 plus minus 1 whole square is plus 1, 2 2s are 4g. Next 2 into minus 1 is minus 2f plus c equals to 0. So 4 plus 1 is 5 plus 4g minus 2f plus c equals to 0, equation 3. Substitute the third point, 3 comma 2. So 9 plus 4 plus 2 3s are 6g plus 2 2s are 4f plus c equals to 0. So 6g plus 4f, sorry, 9 plus 4 is 13 plus 6g plus 4f plus c equals to 0, equation 4. So equation 2 minus equation 3. So here 2 minus 5 is minus 3. Next to 2g minus 4g is minus 2g. 2f, here minus or minus plus 2f. 2f plus 2f is 4f plus c minus c cancel, equals to 0. So minus 2g plus 4f and minus 3 transposed on another side plus 3. So equation 5. Now equation 3 minus equation 4. So 5 minus 13 is minus 8. 4g minus 6g is minus 2g. Minus 2f minus 4f is minus 6f plus c minus c cancel, equals to 0. So then minus 2g minus 6f equals to plus 8, equation 6. Now equation 5 and equation 6 has same variables. So now I am doing equation 5 minus equation 6. So f equals to minus 5 by 10. So f equals to minus 1 by 2. Now substitute f equals to minus 1 by 2 either in equation 5 or in equation 6. So equation 5 is minus 2g plus 4f equals to 3. So minus 2g plus 4 into f value minus 1 by 2 equals to 3. Then g equals to minus 5 by 2. Now substitute f and g values in equation 2. So the equation 2 is, so 2 here 2 cancel, minus 5 here 2 cancel, minus 1 plus c equals to 0. Minus 5 minus 1 minus 6, 2 minus 6 is minus 4 plus c equals to 0, then c equals to plus 4. Substitute c, g, f values in equation 1. So here is the equation 1. So x square plus y square plus 2g, g value is minus 5 by 2 into x. Next to 2 into f value is minus 1 by 2 into y, and c value is 4, so equals to 0. 4 equals to 0. So here 2 cancel, then x square plus y square minus 5x minus y plus 4 equals to 0 is our required equation of a circle. Next to sixth question, minus 2 comma 8 7 comma minus 1 and 1 comma 2. So substitute x equals to minus 2 and y equals to 8. So 4 plus 64 is 68. So minus 4g plus 16f plus c equals to 0, equation 2. Next substitute the second point, 7 comma minus. So 7 square is 49, 1 minus 1 square is 1, 2 into 7 is 14g, and 2 into minus 1 is minus 2f plus c equals to 0. So 49 plus 1 is 50 plus 14g minus 2f plus c equals to 0, equation. Next substitute the third point, that is 1 comma 2. So 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4 plus 2 into g into 1, 2g plus 4f plus c equals to 0. So 1 plus 4 is 5 plus 2g plus 4f plus c equals to 0, equation 4. Now equation 2 minus equation 3. So 68 minus 50 is 18. Next to minus 4g minus 14g is minus 18g. Next to 16f, here minus of minus plus 2f, so 16f plus 2f is 18f, and c minus c cancel, so it is equals to 0. Take the 18 common, so 1 minus g plus f equals to 0. So then the new equation is 1 minus g plus f equals to 0. So then minus g plus f equals to minus 1, equation 5. Next to equation 3 minus equation 4. So 50 minus 5 is 45. Next to 14g minus 2g is 12g. Next to minus 2f minus 4f is minus 6f plus c minus c cancel, it is equal to 0, equation 6. So do one thing. Here 12g minus 6f equals to minus 45. So this is equation 6. So to cancel the variable g in the equation 5 and equation c, I am multiplying the equation 5 with 12 because your g coefficient is a 12. So then what will happen? Minus 12g plus 12f equals to minus 12. So now it is a equation number 7. So now equation 6 minus equation 7. So f equals to minus 57 divided by 6. So it is equals to minus 19 divided by 2. Substitute this f value either in equation 5 or equation 6. So I am substituting in equation 5. Minus g plus minus f equals to minus 1. So it is equals to minus 17 by 2 is a g value. Now substitute the f value and g value in equation 2 to get the c value. So 68 minus, here 2 2s are 4, 2 into minus 2 into minus 17 is plus 34. Here 2 1s are 2, 8s are 8 into minus 19 is 152 plus c equals to 0. Then c equals to 50. Now substitute c value, g value and f value in equation 1. So here is the equation 1. In this, x square plus y square plus 2 into g value is minus 17 by 2 plus 2 into f value is minus 19 by 2 and c value is 50 equals to 0. Here 2 cancel, so x square plus y square minus 17x, here y, next to minus 19y plus 50 equals to 0 is our required answer. Seventh question, 5 comma 2, 2 comma 1 and 0 comma 0. Substitute first point, that is 5 comma 2. So instead of first point, substitute the last point 0 comma 0, because you will get c value directly. So these all values 0 except c, so then c value is 0. Next to substitute the first point 5 comma 2. So 5 square is 25, 2 square is 4 and 5 2s are 10g and plus 2 2s are, and the c value is what? 0. So 10g plus 4f equals to minus 29. So equation 2. Next substitute the second point 2 comma 1. So 4 plus 1 is 5 plus 4g plus 2f and c value is 0. It is equals 0. Then 4g plus 2f equals to minus 5. Equation 3. Observe the second and third equation. They have a same variable g and f, but their coefficients are different. So to eliminate the f variable from the both equations, so multiply the equation 3 with 2. Now equation 2 minus equation 4. So then g equals to minus 19 by 2. So substitute this value either in equation 2 or 3 or 4. So then f equals to is 33 divided by 2. Now substitute c, f and g values in the equation 1. So here is the equation 1. In this, x square plus y square plus 2 into g value minus 19 by 2 into x plus 2 into f value is 33 by 2 into y and c value is 0. So x square plus y square, here 2 cancel, minus 19x, 2 cancel, plus 33y plus 0. So it is equals to 0. This is our required answer. Eighth question, 0 comma 0, 0 comma 6 and 3 comma 4. Substitute the first point 0 comma 0. From this, c equals to 0. Next substitute second point 0 comma 6. So 6 square is 36, 2 6 are 12f plus c value is 0, it is equals to 0. Then 12f equals to minus 36, so from this f equals to minus 3. Next substitute the third point 3 comma 4. So here 2 into f value is minus 3 into y value is 4 and c value is 0, it is equals to 0. So 9 plus 6 25, 25 minus 24 is 1 plus 6g equals to 0. Then 6g equals to minus 1. From this g equals to minus 1 by 6. Now substitute f, g and c values in equation 1. So here is the equation 1. X square plus y square plus 2 into g value is minus 1 by 6x plus 2 into f value is minus 3y and c value is 0 equals to 0. So then x square plus y square, here 2 1s are 2 3s are, so minus x by 3 plus 2 into minus 3 is minus 6y equals to 0. So now take the LCM. 3 is a LCM, so 3x square plus 3y square minus x and 6 3s are 18y equals to 0. So then the required answer is 3x square plus 3y square minus x minus 18y equals to 0.